Meaning of hightail.
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 Hightail. Hightail is a verb that means to move quickly or hasten away from a place, often in fear or haste. It can also refer to sending something or someone away quickly. The word is frequently used to describe someone or something escaping from danger or avoiding a difficult situation. For example, a person may hightail it out of a burning building, or an animal may hightail it away from a predator. Overall, the term conveys a sense of urgency and the need for swift action to avoid potential harm or trouble.